Hello, hello. I've got a dress here from Lace Made. I love it. This is one of my favorite dresses that I own, and an issue is that the boning has sort of slipped out of place. This little bit, the like hard bit, you can see that there's the line, right, and the boning is just like all the way hanging out here, and it keeps stabbing me. I'm gonna try to sew it with my hand because I'm scared of using the machine and messing up all the fabric and needing to unpick it and then leaving like a bunch of holes. Wish me luck. Just had a shower, also dessert that my mom bought me from Bread Top, and it's time to play Valorant!
I'm sorry.
Screen down.
Tell me, this guy. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, for
Behind you also.
toxins going up. They think they can kill me. Poison orb emitting.
Very B. They're all about that.
Toxins going up.
Nice.
Oh my god, I'm actually so bad.
I'm back. It's now a different day. I think it's been a week since the last clip because I'm bad at vlogging. The only thing that happens in my life is work and study, and like both of those things I can't really record for privacy reasons. So anyways, this is a gift I got in New York because I went to New York for a little bit earlier this year, and this is from my friend Hallie, who actually gave me a lot of recommendations to go to New York. I thought it'd be fitting to get her birthday gift that was in New York. So this is what it looks like. You can see it's like this kind of bluish turquoisey marbled color. Leaf resin, I'm not sure, but the actual base of it is wood cut from trees local to New York, which I thought was very cool, and I thought it'd be fitting to paint something that sort of matched the color. I have a little booby painting, little blue-footed booby, so hopefully that'll be really cute and it'll match the vibes of the tree earrings. Final stretch. Oh, actually, maybe a third. A third left. Oh, it comes so pretty. Eek, I'm so excited. about an eternity later. Ta-da! I love the combination of the silky sort of sage green, I guess, or like light sage green. It matches these leaves and it's so cute. Like it's a perfect green. It was very fiddly to sew, but it was actually much faster to pull through because it's so slippery.